Welcome to Best Choice. The best bathroom organizers are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked elements in creating a serene and functional personal sanctuary, transforming cluttered countertops and overflowing cabinets into havens of order and tranquility, ultimately enhancing your daily routines and providing a sense of calm amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing our slim rolling storage cart, designed to fit perfectly in those tight spaces. Customize its 3 removable shelves to maximize your storage capacity. Glide it effortlessly on its 360 degrees rotating casters, with 2 featuring brakes for secure placement. Its lightweight yet sturdy design ensures easy maneuvering without wobbling. Crafted from waterproof and humidity-resistant plastic, it's perfect for damp areas. The hollow design allows for easy draining and cleaning, preventing water buildup. This compact organizer is ideal for dorms, RVs, or tight corners. Use the side hooks for towels and accessories, and the high walls to secure your essentials. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required. Simply snap the components together following the visual guide for a quick and sturdy setup in minutes. What we like? This rolling cart offers flexible storage with its 3 removable tiers, perfect for tight spaces. Its lockable casters ensure stability when needed. If you're looking for a versatile organizer that can adapt to various narrow areas like bathrooms or laundry rooms, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great product for organizing my bathroom. It has a lot of space and is very sturdy. I love how this product looks in my bathroom. It is very modern and sleek. This product is very easy to assemble and use. It has all the features I need to keep my bathroom organized. Number 4. Delamu 2-Tier Under Sink Organizer, White, 2-Pack. Discover a smarter way to organize your home. These versatile organizers are designed to fit perfectly under your sink, in your kitchen cabinets, or pantry. Featuring smooth pull-out drawers and movable dividers, accessing your items has never been easier. Find what you need in an instant. Made with high-quality acrylic and durable aluminum alloy, you can clearly see everything inside. Keep your toiletries, cosmetics, and kitchen essentials neatly arranged. Need more storage? These organizers are stackable up to 3 units high, making them a perfect space-saving solution for any room. Designed with anti-slip silicone stoppers and rust-proof support rods, they stay securely in place and are built for long-lasting durability. Assembly is a breeze. From the bathroom to the kitchen and pantry, these organizers adapt to your needs. Perfect for storing everything from spice jars to beauty products. What we like? These undersink organizers feature stackable, pull-out drawers with customizable dividers for easy access and neat storage. If you have a lot of small items to organize in cabinets or under sinks and want to maximize vertical space, these are ideal. What people say. The shelves are adjustable and can fit various bottle sizes. It has a good weight capacity and feels sturdy when loaded. The design is sleek and modern, complementing bathroom decor. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. This rolling cart is designed to fit into any corner of your home. With its 360-degree wheels, you can easily move it wherever you need extra storage. It's perfect for offices, bathrooms, kitchens, and even narrow spaces. This cart offers multiple compartments to help you organize your belongings efficiently. You can easily store and access everything you need at a glance. Plus, the included side hoops provide even more external storage options. This isn't just a cart, it can be adjusted to a 2 or 3-tier shelf by removing the casters. It can serve as a bathroom dresser or a kitchen spice rack, helping you keep your space tidy. The bottom features a mesh hollow design. This prevents stagnant water and ensures that your stored items stay dry at all times. Made from high-quality plastic, this cart is both stable and durable. It's incredibly easy to assemble without the need for any extra tools. What we like? This slim cart provides abundant storage and can be adjusted to 2 or 3 layers, even without casters. Its mesh design prevents water buildup. If you need a customizable and easy-to-assemble storage solution for various rooms and prefer a dry environment for your items, consider this option. What people say. It fits good between the toilet and the sink counter. It gives me so much needed storage. It has 3 narrow shelves, the bottom 2 are just perfect to stack a 12-pack of TP. I like that it's on casters so I can wheel it in and out of place to load it up. It also has a few small hooks you can move around as needed. This cart is the kind of product that turns it into instant storage without taking up much room. The biggest selling point is how slim and mobile it is. It fits perfectly between cabinets, next to the washer, or beside a bathroom vanity, places where most storage units just won't work. And because it's on wheels, you can easily slide it out to grab what you need and tuck it right back away. This cart is the perfect size for what we were looking for. It's all made from plastic so it's not going to carry heavy items, but if you read the description, this product comfortably lives up to what you'd expect. Setting it up was very straightforward and it came with a step-by-step guide. Mine currently has 6 bottles of bleach on, 2 packets of kitchen towel, 4 packets of toilet pods, and it still has some space. It's holding up nicely. Number 2. Ukeetap Multi-Purpose Pull-Out Storage Organizers, 2-pack. Tired of clutter? Introducing our multi-purpose organizers, designed to bring order to your bathroom and kitchen. Get a set of 2, perfectly sized for under sinks and cabinets. Crafted from premium plastic and sturdy metal tubes, these organizers are built for durability. They can handle significant weight without losing their shape, ensuring long-lasting use. Accessing your stored items has never been easier. The convenient bottom pull-out drawer design allows for quick and simple retrieval of whatever you need. Reclaim your space with these efficient organizers. Their 12.8-inch height offers ample storage, helping you keep everything neatly in place and out of sight. No tools, no hassle. These organizers are incredibly easy to assemble. You can have them set up and ready to use in just a matter of seconds. What we like? This set of 2 organizers offers a sturdy, bottom pull-out design for convenient access to items. They are perfect for maximizing space under sinks or in cabinets. If you're looking for a durable and practical solution for cluttered areas and appreciate a good value, these are a solid pick. What people say. This is a great product for organizing my bathroom. It is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my bathroom. Number 1. Nuvole Cabinet Door Organizer. Never worry about losing stickiness again. We provide extra adhesive stickers, allowing for quick replacements or relocation, ensuring your organizer stays put. Add a touch of modern style to your home. Its sleek design complements any decor, offering a convenient spot for everyday essentials. Create extra storage wherever you need it. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or any small space, it neatly organizes everything from toiletries to cleaning supplies. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, this organizer is built to last. It boasts a strong load-bearing capacity, ready for daily use. Measuring just right, it maximizes storage in any home, from apartments to dorm rooms. It's the ideal solution for maximizing space. Install it easily without drills or damage. It adheres securely to smooth, non-porous surfaces, making it perfect for renters. What we like? These organizers can be mounted on cabinet doors for extra storage without drilling, and they come with extra adhesive stickers for flexibility. They are perfect for small spaces in bathrooms or kitchens. If you need to add storage without damaging surfaces and want a renter-friendly solution, these are a great fit. What people say. These storage bins are a great find. We hung them by our door to hold everyday essentials like sunscreen and bug spray, and they easily hold all of my things with no problem. They're very strong. Love these organizers. I'm using them for my kids' bath toys and they work perfectly. They stick really well to the wall and feel secure, no slipping or falling off even with daily use. These little containers are super stylish and cute. I use them in my shower because there are drain holes and it keeps everything organized and clean, which is so refreshing. I got the 2 small ones with the dividers, and what is so cool is that you can choose to divide it in half or into 4 parts, so if you were on the fence because you want bigger or smaller compartments or none at all, don't worry, they are totally adjustable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.